So assalamu alaikum girls and good morning. Today we are going to start with a experiment which is nothing but Zener diode characteristics. So in this the main aim to determine the characteristics curves of the Zener diode. For this the circuit diagram is as shown here. So this is the circuit diagram for the forward bias, and you have the 2 volt followed by the Zener diode and voltmeter, and this one is the milliamps. So the connections has to be made in such a manner. It's a series circuit. In this you can see the symbol of the diode. So if you have a normal diode, then it will be one triangular shape positive and one straight line which is negative, whereas in this case we are making use of the Zener diode, so the symbol should be represented as Z. So this is the symbol of a diode, Zener diode, and here you can see 2 volt, and this is the voltmeter, and here this is the rheostat, and it has been inbuilt in the circuit in the kit over here. So I'll just show you that. So first we'll start with the forward bias. So now in this you can see this is the kit of Zener diode characteristics. In that you have a voltmeter which reads from 0 to 2 volt, and it has been divided here in this you have 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2. So let me calculate each division in this. So if you subtract 1 minus 0.5, which is of 0.5, divided by, you have total number of division is 10. So each division here is 0.5 divided by 10, which is nothing but 0.05. So 0.05. So here if you go with the first pointer, then it will be 0.05 followed by 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.25, so on, and it will reach 0.5. So this is the division in voltmeter for the forward bias. So you can see here forward bias, and the same here for the current, which has been measured in milliamps, which is in terms of 100 division, and it has been divided into 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So the same thing you can do it here too. 40 minus 20, which is 20, divided by number of divisions within that division is 20. So you have 20 divided by 10, which is of 2. So 2 milliamps. So each division is 2 milliamps. So you can record the reading for 2, 4, 6, 8, so on as such. So now if you switch on the, so here I'll just tell you how to do the circuit connection. So you have a Zener diode, and the color of the Zener diode, one end is red and the other one is black. So red stands as positive and black as negative. So when you see the circuit over here, the first thing is give the connection from positive of the diode to the positive of the voltmeter. So you can see here this is the positive symbol which has been the symbol as red, that is the color is red. So from positive of the diode to the positive of the voltmeter. So here you have a positive of the voltmeter. So you can make a connection directly over here, and from here negative of the Zener diode to the positive of the milliamps. So here negative of the Zener diode to the positive of the milliamps, and here again negative of the milliamps to negative of the voltmeter. So negative of the milliamps to negative of the voltmeter to be connected, and from negative of the voltmeter directly give it to the 2 volt of battery. So from negative of the voltmeter give it to the negative 2 volt of the battery, and it has been connected in such a way. And here you can connect from positive of the diode to the positive of the volt. So positive of the diode to the positive of the 2 volts. So this has to be done for the forward bias. So you should not disturb, you should not connect the connection in the reverse bias side, which has been mentioned here as reverse bias. So you just leave this voltmeter. So if you consider the forward bias, do the connection for the voltmeter, milliamps and 2 volt over here. Right now you switch on the circuit. Instead you just see how the readings has been recorded. So you will be taking the reading. So here you can see this is the graph representing for the forward bias, and this one is the reverse bias. Now we will focus on forward bias. So you should take the reading for varying the voltage and with respect to the current. So here you see it has to be read from 0.1, 0.2, because already I told you the division which is in terms of 0.05. So you just go with the 0.1 itself. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and the current increases simultaneously. Now you check with the kit, right? Now when you switch on the circuit, see now you are going to increase the volt. So each division is 0.05. Now you see it reads 0.1. So 0.1 is 0, right? And again you increase this 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. When it comes to 0.8, that is 0.6, 0.75, it reads 4 volt. And again 1, the current increases. So 0.9 is 82, something like that. 1 is reaches 100 above, right? So you can take the reading as you vary from 0.1 to 1 volt. So this is for the forward bias. Now you do it for the reverse bias, just reversing the diode, right? So I'll do the connection now for the reverse bias. Thank you, girls.